Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the region in the Temu application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the U button at the bottom of the page. And then scroll down a bit and click on the settings button. And at the country and region section, if you click on that, then you will be able to see all the regions that you can set within this application. So just click on the one that you want to use, and then it will ask if you want to switch to Canada or stay in the United States. So just click on the one that you want to set. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.